Now students, now see question number 2 now. What is question given for you? Second question. Write the equation of the line parallel to which axis? Y axis at a distance 7 units from to the left. Now we have to draw a line. Draw a line parallel to which axis? Y axis. So this is your Y axis. Parallel means like this. The line will be like this here. One line will be here. I don't know where. So we have to draw a line parallel to which axis? Y axis. The line can be here, line can be here. Now see the line. See, read the question once again. Write the equation of the line parallel to y axis at a distance 7 units. How many? 7 units from it to the left. So 7 units. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Draw a line. See once again. Write the equation of the line which is parallel to what? Y axis. So see this line and this line. They are what? Y axis and this line. They are what? Parallel to what? Y axis at a distance how much? 7 units. 7 units. Can be here also, it can be here. But they are given 7 units from it to the left. Okay. Now you have to write the equation. Okay. Draw this. Okay. You have to draw in a new page. Okay. Okay. All the first question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. All this should be drawn in one graph only. I repeat once again. Question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. Okay. This all in one graph only. Okay. So now see the question. Now this line and these lines are parallel to which axis? Y axis at a distance what? 7 units. Now what is the question answer? We have to write the equation. So I am writing the equation on the right hand side of the graph. The equation of the line this line parallel to which axis? Y axis. Y axis is okay. Now this line touches which axis? X axis. So write x is equal to where it touches? -7. Finish. This much only here. Okay. Now come to this was question number 2. Okay. Practice set 7.2 question number 2. Now come to the third sum. I'm drawing in the same graph only. You have to also do the same thing. Okay. Now third question. Third question is given. Write the equation of the line parallel to x axis. Now you have to draw a line parallel to which axis? Y axis. Means the line will be here or here somewhere else. Okay. Now we'll see the further question. Write the equation of the line parallel to x axis at a distance 5 units from it below the x axis. Below means 5. Okay. Below the line is parallel to what? X axis. The line will be here or here. But they said below the x axis means here. And below how many units? 5 units. This is the line. See here, the line is what? Parallel to what? Which axis? X axis, and 5 units below it. Okay. Now, what answer will write? I'm writing the answer. Should write on the right hand side of the graph. Okay. You can see that. Answer. The equation of the line. The equation of the line parallel to which axis? X axis is, you write the equation. This line which touches which axis? Which axis touches this line? Y axis. So y is equal to at which point? -5. This was question number 3. Okay. This much only. Same graph. Don't change the graph. Same. Question number 4 also in the same graph. Question number 4. Question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. In question number 4. What is the question given for you? What is the question given for you? The question is the point Q. First you draw the point Q here. Q is what? -3 and -5. So which coordinate? Third coordinate. -3. See here, -3. And which coordinate? -3 and -2. Okay, -3 and -2. So this is the point. Okay, this is Q. -3 and -2. Any doubt here? I draw on the point Q. Now see the question once again. The point Q, -3 and -2, lies on the line parallel to which axis? Y axis. So line I have to draw this way or this way. See students, question you have to read here. You have to draw a line passing through Q parallel to which axis? Y axis. So Y is here, so the line will be here. Okay, so we have to draw the line passing through which point? Q and parallel to Y axis. So what is the equation now? Once again, answer fourth. The equation of the line, parallel to which axis? Y axis, passing through point Q is, now this line touches which axis? X axis. So X is equal to, at which point? Minus 10. That's enough. This is your question number 4. Any doubt, students? Now come to question number 5. Question number 5. In this only you draw. Don't take any new graph. Okay. There is a mistake in the question. The question is what? Y axis. Okay. Y axis and X is equal to how much? Minus 4. Y axis and X is equal to minus 4. Y axis and X is equal to minus 4. Both are what? They are parallel. See your question carefully. Y axis and X is equal to minus 4 are parallel lines. What is the distance? What is distance? Distance cannot be negative. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the question, the distance, answer fire. The distance between the parallel lines Y axis and X is equal to minus 4 is 4 units. That's enough. Understand? Very simple. All these 4, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5 in one graph only. Only the answer should be written on the right hand side of the graph. Understand, students? Come to the next question now.